Hey everyone, welcome again to Loom Alchemy Stimuli Configuration. Today we are going to configure the stimuli of Loom. Here is what we will be creating. We will be creating subject line, one variant of it. We will be creating the email body copy, three variants of it. Loom audio file, three variants of it. Cold follow-up sequence, one variant, and warm follow-up sequence, one variant. Right now you won't understand the flows and ins and out of Loom Alchemy, and that is totally fine. It will all be explained in the later modules. For now, we just need to create the assets. Reminder again, if you have not watched acquisition commencement in full, go and do this before. That is very important. Now starting with subject lines के बारे में लोग बहुत सोचते हैं ये रखो. I have never thought about it. We have never struggled with subject line. Simple subject lines that invoke curiosity works the best. Quick question for Aditya Chaudhary. Query for Aditya. Question for Aditya. Inquiry for Aditya. For the attention of Aditya. या बस उनका नाम आदित्य. People would open that up, right? क्योंकि उनको नहीं पता क्या है, बस मेरा नाम क्यों लिखा हुआ है. They will open it. Replace फुल नेम विद कंपनी नेम. अगर आपको कंपनी नेम नहीं आती तो क्वेश्चन फॉर फ्रीडम फॉर्मूला, क्वेरी फॉर फ्रीडम फॉर्मूला, लोग कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट? इट कुड बी एन इनकम टैक्स रिपोर्ट, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग एंड दे विल ओपन इट, राइट? सो दैट्स लाइक अ गुड सब्जेक्ट लाइन. इनमें से कोई भी आप चुन सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ आप बना सकते हैं एंड यू कैन राइट दैट हियर. Then email body copy. This one is important. The framework. Start with hi Aditya, then give a generalized compliment. Offers, like you state the offer with conviction and confidence. You add the risk reversal, you add the Loom link, further conviction statement, you request for the call. Thanks. फिर PS means postscript, and postscript में आप छोटे से इस तरीके से स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में सब कुछ समझाते हैं. अब यहाँ पे आई हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ बॉडी कॉपी एग्जाम्पल्स. यहाँ पे दो तरह के फ्रेमवर्क्स हैं, ऑन फ्रेमवर्क, ऑफ फ्रेमवर्क. यू कैन यूज एनी ऑफ दीज. आई हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. तो लाइक हाई आदित्य, होप दिस इज द वन वी आर यूजिंग बाय द वे. I hope you're having a great. I love the feel of your business. You guys really look the part. My team have taken a look at your कुछ भी हो सकता है, मार्केटिंग एजेंसी या फिर at your business or at your this or that, and we are confident we can help you get X amount of leads or X amount of appointments or X amount of clients with जो भी उनकी desired avatar है interested in your service every single month. The best part is if we don't deliver, we don't pay. We work on 100% pay on result basis. So this is me adding the risk reversal. By the way, this is not an automated message. I'm a real human. I recorded a quick video to introduce myself and to show you that I'm not blasting you from some software. You add the Loom audio file, like not the audio file, you add the Loom. We have already helped X amount of niche gym owners get 30 members, sometimes even getting 70 members in a month. Would love the opportunity to learn more about your business challenges and goal to see if there is a fit. Would you be interested in having a call this week so we can discuss? Thanks Aditya. फिर postscript, when I say pay on result, I really mean it. No performance, no money out of your pocket. अब इसमें you can use clickbait जैसे कि हम लोग करते हैं. We say कि we pay on result but we take upfront payment, but what we mean is कि वहाँ पे risk reversal की guarantee है. It's better to have more people on a call as compared to having no one on the call and being very honest in your script. What's better is to have a lot of people on the call and like using these clickbaits on the script. तो इस तरह से second है hi Aditya, loving the look of freedom formula. My partner and I have reviewed your info product business. We are extremely confident we can help you build a system that gets you 50 clients per month with desired avatar. तो जो भी उनकी high quality leads है, जो भी होता है, on a complete pay on result basis, meaning if you don't get high quality appointments, we do not get paid. By the way, I'm not a robot. I recorded a quick video for you to say hello and explain how it works. फिर आप यहाँ पे अपनी वीडियो का लिंक डालेंगे. I'd love to learn more about your business and how you operate. Would you be open to scheduling a call this week so we can discuss? ऐसे ये थर्ड है. दिस वंस डिफरेंट एंड एज यू कैन सी आपको यहाँ पे 3 वेरिएंट्स बनाने होंगे एंड तीनों वेरिएंट्स बहुत डिफरेंट हैं. आप देखिए ये इतना लंबा है, ये बहुत छोटा सा है एंड ये वाला और भी ज़्यादा डिटेल्ड है, राइट? तो इस तरीके से आपको हर स्क्रिप्ट में काफ़ी वेरिएशन रखना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि तीनों बस सेम है एंड आपने कुछ वर्ड्स चेंज किए. दे शुड बी कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. ए, जे और जेड, इस तरह का तीनों में डिफरेंस होना चाहिए. Then there is the soft framework. These are 6 we have used to generate appointments for our gym, marketing agency and coaching business. You can use these for an inspiration. तो जैसे कि ये आई एम राइटिंग दिस बिकॉज आई सो दैट यूर अ जिम अकाउंटेंट इन न्यूयॉर्क. आई हैव pretty strong ties in this niche. We work with other gyms in USA. We have worked with 70 plus, 250 plus, 300 plus to be exact. I know you get a dozen of sales emails every day. I've recorded a quick video to explain my offers, so I'm not blasting you from some big list. I wanted to send a quick note if you're taking on new customers. I have a proven membership generation method that generates live exclusive referrals looking for जो भी उनकी niche है help, and I'd like to send a few of them to you. Is there a chance where you're open to trying out some of these referrals? So shoot me a reply or give me a call at the end. We'll go from there. Cheers, Aditya. Plus this is my personal email. When you reply, it will be me who responds. Sent from my iPhone या कुछ भी आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. इस तरह से सेकेंड थर्ड एंड एज यू कैन सी अगेन कितना वेरिएशन है. ये इतना बड़ा है, ये इतना बड़ा है एंड ये इतना बड़ा है. तो यू विल हैव to keep variation in this. I've added a lot of these. You can go and read them. Now moving forward, you can come up with 3 variants of your copy. You will need to come up with 3 variants of your copy. You want to run tests on variant 1. Test it according to the instructions in the Loom Systems module जो आपको दिए जाएंगे. If it does not produce a good result, test variant 2, and if it doesn't work, try variant 3. To test any variable in Loom, we need to send and perfectly deliver to the inbox. ऐसा नहीं कि spam में गए हों. 300 emails, 300 emails भेजने के बाद ही you will make any decision. Before that you would not. We also need to have completed the entire cold follow-up sequence. Follow-up 1, follow-up 2, follow-up 3. Some tips for you here are less is more. You should keep your tone friendly. Focus on the results. That's very, very important. Have 2 to 3 conviction points. Ask for the call. Know your niche. The better keywords and best phrases you use, the better it will be. And the best copy is the best offer. Draft your 3 variants using the template below. Keep them distinguishable from each other. ऐसा नहीं है same to same बस कुछ words use किए. Keep a very, very different kind of body copy. So less here is more. Again, keep it simple, offer focused, instill conviction, not too short or direct, not too long or indirect. यहाँ पे आप version 1 लिखेंगे, version 2 and version 3. Then we have the Loom audio file. Next step is to script for the Loom itself. We are going to show you how to automate recording using an evergreen audio file. So all we need to focus on here is getting the script and delivery right with audio file for one time. The framework here would be to introduce yourself, gratify the view, making the video to show some effort has been put in. You have an incredible offer for them. उसके बाद explaining them the offer, explaining them the risk reversal, explaining them the system at a very, very high level though. Most people respond positively ये उसमें कहना. And then because of the personal touch and offer, of course, if you're open to getting this much clients, do schedule a call. There is a button at the end of the video. Looking forward to talking. Can't wait. Thanks. Length should be greater than 1 minute, should be less than 2 minutes. 1 minute 30, 1 minute 40 seconds is the best. Tone you should be confident in this. You need to use your words. अगर आपने मेरे words use करे and आप उनको सही से नहीं बोल पा रहे हो या they are not suiting your niche or they are not suiting you, it won't work. You need to be confident. This is the main thing. You need to be excited. You need to be enthusiastic and you need to be happy. This is very important. अगर आप बस ऐसे बैठ के बोल दोगे, it won't work. Are your words wrapped in conviction and confidence? Do you actually believe you can deliver on your offer? You need to know you can crush it for them and तभी वो चीज़ आपको सामने से आपके Loom audio file में show करेगी. You should not be monotonous. इसका मतलब है when I was saying this, are your words wrapped in conviction? तो जैसे मैंने wrapped को ऊपर उठाया, then conviction again. Do you actually believe? तो like this is me changing the pitch and changing the tonality, right? And अगर मैं ऐसे बोलता, are your words wrapped in conviction and confidence? Do you actually believe? Do you actually believe you can deliver on your offer versus do you actually believe? दोनों चीज़ों में अंतर है, right? That's not being monotonous, don't be boring, not robotic कि बस बोलते चले गए, not over the top. You don't need to sound like you're on cocaine कि बहुत ही extra कर दिया. Just keep it normal. Some tips here again are get to the point, do not ramble. यहाँ वहाँ मत भटकना. Do not go too fast, do not go too slow. Don't discuss details of your service or product. Keep it at a very high level. Use the words that come naturally to you. Ab again for your help, I have added here 5 Loom scripts here, and you can go through them. But again, don't copy a word to word, apply your own spin. So hi, it's Aditya here. I hope you are well. I wanted to reach out and record this for you for two reasons. First reason, to demonstrate I'm sending this one over to you from one fellow human to another, personally with your site and everything on screen. But the second reason is to actually introduce you to an opportunity, one that I think could be very profitable for our agency. Now, over the past few years, my partner and I successfully scaled a marketing agency of our own called Ad Honor. And in that time, we have been able to successfully automate client acquisition to the point where we have signed over 250 high ticket clients. We have booked over 1,000 qualified calls, and now we commonly book around 100 calls a month without really doing any work, which is quite exciting because what we are looking to do now is to introduce the same system that have helped us systemize our growth to other agency owners like yourself. And we are looking to do that on a complete pay on result basis, which is pretty cool because we can help you get 30 to 90 pre-qualified leads per month basically on autopilot. तो the thing is, हमने यहाँ पे 2-3 बार उनको बताया कि उनके क्या results हैं जो हम उनको लाके दे सकते हैं. If we cannot help you do that, we will refund you any money that you pay us on learning how to do it. So it's really exciting, works really well, and honestly 9 times out of 10 when people receive these videos from us, they do reply positively because A, of the personal touch, and B, because the offer is pretty ridiculous. It's kind of crazy and it works really well if you are open to new ways of getting clients, and if you want to grow your agency, and we could be an amazing fit for each other. So I've sent this one over to you personally. When you respond, I will personally reply, but let's get a call booked in because I think this could be amazing for you, and I'm really excited to be in touch. So yeah, again, I look forward hearing back from you. No doubt you'll reply. So yeah, let's talk about it soon. Have an amazing day. Thanks for your time. So again, I have not talked about click the button to book a call in this, but आप यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं कि there will be a button and you can click it to book a call with us. Sorry for the dog again. ये example 1 है, यहाँ पे same तरीके से example 2 है, same तरीके से example 3, 4, 5. You can watch these and you can make a Loom audio file for yourself. You need to come up with 3 variants. You will want to run variant 1 and test it according to the instructions found in Loom Systems module. If it doesn't produce results, test 2, test 3. To test any variable in Loom, we need to send and perfectly deliver to the inbox 300 emails. We also need to have completed the entire cold follow-up sequence. Step 1 is to script it, step 2 is to reading it aloud and changing the script अगर कुछ fit नहीं होता, and step 3 is to record it. So step 1 is scripting. Draft your 3 variants using the template below. यहाँ पे आपको ये template मिल जाएगी. इसमें version 1, version 2 and version 3 है. Then step 2 would be to read aloud. Now go ahead and read the script you have drafted aloud to yourself. जब आप अपने आप को शीशे के आगे खड़े होकर चीज़ बोलेंगे, you will notice certain phrases don't come naturally to you or feel weird. Change them to what feels natural. Step 3 would be recording. Open your phone or computer to recall the B's and nots from earlier. जो आपको बोलना है, जो नहीं बोलना, वो सारी चीज़ें हटाओ. Make sure your mic quality is good. फ़ोन का mic अच्छे से काम कर जाता है. Don't need to buy any expensive mic. Make sure the acoustics are in the room are good. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बहुत बड़े हॉल में बैठे हैं and आपकी आवाज़ ही एको आ रही है. Don't be boring. Don't be monotonous. Don't be robotic or dull. Listen to the 3 recordings of each variants and pick the best one. Delete the others and अपलोड दम टू योर गूगल ड्राइव. तो आपके हर वेरिएंट की आप 3 रिकॉर्डिंग्स करेंगे. वेरिएंट 1 की रिकॉर्डिंग 1, रिकॉर्डिंग 2, रिकॉर्डिंग 3, वेरिएंट 2 की रिकॉर्डिंग 1, रिकॉर्डिंग 2, रिकॉर्डिंग 3, वेरिएंट 3 की रिकॉर्डिंग 1, 2, 3. तीनों में से जो बेस्ट होगी आप उसको रखेंगे, बाकी को आप डिलीट कर देंगे. Cold follow-up sequence. If someone does not reply to our initial Loom, we will follow up 3 times with them. Follow up 1, 2 and 3. Some of the best practices are short sentences, not longer than 15 words, simple to the point. Objective is to get them to watch the video. Keep it vague. So some examples are, hey Aditya, what do you think of the video I sent? Any thoughts on the video I sent? Did you get the chance to check the video out that I sent? The second follow-up could be, hey Aditya, figured this got buried. Any thoughts? Loom. Hey, I'm guessing you missed the video I sent. फिर Loom की video add कर दी. Hey, just bumping this. Did you check this out? Add कर दी. Third is, did you see the video? Keen to know your thoughts. Any thoughts on the video I sent? I hope you received the video. Okay, what do you think? And आप इनमें से तीनों में से कोई भी एक अपने लिए चूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड उसको डाल सकते हैं. तो आप अपना खुद भी बना सकते हैं. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एकदम फ्रेश होना चाहिए. दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन थिंग, राइट? देन वार्म फॉलोअप सीक्वेंस. इफ समवन रिप्लाइज पॉजिटिवली टू अ Loom but does not book a call with us, we follow up 8 times. Details on how to reply are explained in the actual Loom system modules. Initial reply will be answering any question and inviting them to a discovery call. Assume they want to book. हमेशा assume कि they want to book. अगर उन्होंने reply किया मतलब they want to book. Keep it simple and straightforward. The first one could be, hey Aditya, can't wait to chat. Opened a few slots here for you. Calendly ka link. Hey Aditya, looking forward for our call together. Here is the link again. Just remembered we have not spoken yet. I'm excited. Grab a time here. Hi, I'm available to chat in the next few days if you are. Link डाल दिया. Hi, let's pencil in some time. Yeah, I'm sure you're crazy busy, but if you have time this week, let's get scheduled. फिर 7th और 8th में you can add a meme as well. Hope you don't mind my persistence. I've been added a meme this time. Let's get something scheduled. Here is a link to book. Calendly का link और ऐसे करके meme डाल दिया. I'm asking you once again to schedule a call. ऐसे ही hopefully Mr. Bean will encourage you to schedule. Pick a time here. Calendly plus me waiting to book your call. यहाँ पे जाके आप लोग अपने लिए memes बना सकते हैं. And you can probably go here and you can make a meme with any of these. जैसे ये वाला है या ये वाला है कि me waiting for you to schedule a call, या फिर you ignoring या me waiting for you to schedule a call यहाँ पे, या फिर us if you schedule a call, है कुछ भी, मतलब इस तरह से आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Again you will draft all of them here. Follow up 1 2 3 cold के and follow up 8 तक warm के. Once this is done, now you have drafted all of your stimuli. It's time to put it all together in one place so that you या आपका VA या setter जो भी है can access all the necessary templates to run the system. तो ये आपका hub होगा. यहाँ पे आप subject line डालेंगे, यहाँ पे आप link डालेंगे. Do not copy and paste them. Link the files. जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे link करता हूँ, इस तरह से आप उनको link करेंगे. Body copy के तीनों variants, audio file के तीनों variants, उसके बाद cold and warm फॉलोअप सीक्वेंस का जो आपने ये बनाया है, यू विल बी लिंकिंग दैट हियर. एंड दैट इज़ बेसिकली इट फॉर द Loom Alchemy Stimuli configuration. Thank you so much. Have a great day.